Hey guys, it's Dami here and I'm back with another video. Yes, I'm back. And this one is a power-packed one. I'm really excited to get into this video. First of all, I just wanted to shout out my shirt real quick. I don't usually come on here with such bright colors, but today I was really feeling it because he said, you know what, I actually am a westernized African and I'm here for the cultural exchange. So if you know, you know. At the end of the day, this shirt is like one of my faves, top shirts. It's so soft, love it. If you guys want to check it out, the link will be in the description. If you guys want to check it out, the link will be in the description box below by an amazing brand called Native Picking. Because how you date, what do you mean? Are you dumb? But guys, that's not the only thing I want to talk to you guys about, because today I mean business. And I would have come back with my desk, but it's not one of those. Today I share with you guys my hair growth oil recipe. You know it's a serious day because I'm here with no makeup on, wigs a little bit slanted, but that's okay because it's not about me today. Today we're gonna be put on some game, okay? So without further ado, please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. I'm here to put you guys on some major keys as I explain what these oils are used for and show you guys my recipe. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So first up, we need a container. I'm going to be using this bottle that I got from my local Dollar Tree. You can use anything. You can use a hair applicator bottle. I just have this oil bottle because I like it a little bit better. It works with the aesthetic I have going on in my bathroom. So the first oil we're going to be using is extra virgin olive oil. So olive oil is an antioxidant that helps with cell renewal. It's very moisturizing and can help control dandruff. It's also a great sealant that helps penetrate the hair and helps with less frizz and more shine. Olive oil is my base and takes up 40 to 50% of this oil combination. The next product I'll be using is 100% Jamaican black castor oil. So Jamaican black castor oil is jam-packed with nutrients and vitamins. It's able to penetrate the strand, and that leads to long-term hydration. You guys also know that it is used for edges a lot because it helps improve scalp circulation and promotes regrowth. It's also used as a great sealant and helps to prevent breakage and split ends. Next, I'll be using sweet almond oil. This oil is packed with fatty acids that help reduce inflammation of the hair follicles. It also helps reduce breakage and relieves itching and dryness. So this oil basically coats the hair in a way that prevents split ends and combats hair loss. Next, I'll be using avocado oil. So this oil is optional. My hair just likes it. Avocado oil is another antioxidant and it's a monounsaturated fat. So this helps protect the hair from environmental damage. It's also a great source of protein. Next, I have my red pimento seed oil. Red pimento seed oil is another antioxidant that helps promote blood circulation within the scalp and can help prevent water loss. Next, I'll be using vitamin E oil. This is another antioxidant that is used for our hair, body, skin, and basically is just used to repair and rebuild tissue. So it helps protect your hair against free radicals and repairs damage to follicles and encourages growth. And that's why we put it on your scalp. As you can tell, it's a very thick oil. So we have tea tree oil, 100% tea tree oil. So tea tree oil really helps promote hair regrowth and reduces hair loss and dandruff. Then we have 100% peppermint oil. So peppermint oil is amazing at boosting hair growth by increasing blood flow to the scalp. So it's important that whenever you're getting these raw ingredients that you're getting it 100%. Peppermint oil, castor oil, tea tree oil, vitamin E, all of that. When you look at the ingredients, it should say 100% of whatever ingredient that is. So as you guys can see, all the heavier oils have sunk to the bottom. So some really heavy oils are the vitamin E as well as the black castor oil. So these oils need to be mixed so that your blend is complete. It is very normal for these oils to sink down, and that's the whole reason why we balance it. If we put all these thick oils on our hair by itself, it would be too much. It'll just clog the pores. But we mix it with lighter oil so it can maximize its effect. Hey guys, so I could not let this video finish without giving you guys my one major tip for hair growth. It's massaging it into your scalp. So why do we massage our scalp? Why do we want products that tingle a little bit? Why? And it's all because of blood flow. So blood is jam-packed with nutrients. So think about it. When we are massaging our scalp, putting products in our hair that tingles our head, at the end of the day, we're allowing blood to rush there. And by blood rushing to the scalp, it's providing your scalp with nutrients as well as oxygen, not just for your scalp, but the hair follicles as well. So that can help restore and stimulate stem cell production, which equals hair growth, also equals a healthy scalp. And in turn, healthy roots. The quality of your scalp determines the quality of your hair growth, right? I hope you guys learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week in another video.